Hey everyone, welcome back to Ngdgtt Tech. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a feature-packed, budget-friendly entry into the digital piano market, the Ngdgtt 88-key semi-weighted digital piano bundle, Model 883. Whether you are a beginner taking your very first steps, a music student looking for a complete practice station, or a creator needing a versatile MIDI controller for your home setup, this full-size electric keyboard comes packed with essential features and an all-in-one accessory kit. 88 full-size semi-weighted keys and touch sensitivity. The key highlight of this digital piano is its 88-key full-size layout. Unlike basic synth-action keyboards, it features semi-weighted, touch-sensitive keys designed to provide an authentic, expressive playing experience. Dynamic touch response accurately captures finger velocity, allowing you to transition smoothly from soft pianissimos to loud fortissimos. Full-scale playing gives you access to the complete 7-octave range of a traditional acoustic grand piano, ideal for classical practice, contemporary pop, and chord progression exercises. Diverse sound library and built-in practice tools. Under the hood, the Ngdgtt 883 packs an extensive sound engine that keeps daily practice engaging and inspiring. 128 instrument tones and 128 rhythms, explore classic acoustic grands, electric pianos, organs, strings, synth leads, and interactive accompaniment rhythms. 80 built-in demo songs, perfect reference tracks for listening, ear training, and playing along. Built-in stereo speakers. Built-in amplification delivers crisp sound for personal practicing or living room jams. Modern connectivity, Bluetooth and USB-MIDI. The Ngdgtt 883 bridges the gap between traditional keyboard playing and modern music production apps. Bluetooth connectivity, stream backing tracks directly from your smartphone or tablet, or connect wirelessly to popular interactive learning and piano tutor apps. USB-MIDI support. Plug directly into your PC, Mac, or mobile device to control digital audio workstations, DAWs, like GarageBand, Ableton, or FL Studio for recording and composing. All-in-one complete starter bundle. One of the biggest selling points of this package is that it includes everything you need straight out of the box without requiring extra accessory purchases. Key accessories includes a heavy-duty adjustable stand, a standard sustain pedal, and a power adapter. Quiet practice and on-the-go portability comes with headphones for late-night silent practice and a durable carrying case so you can easily pack up the piano for rehearsals, stage performances, or travel. Key technical specifications. Feature specification. Model Ngdgtt 883, P8. Number of keys 88 full-size keys. Key action semi-weighted, touch-sensitive tones and rhythms 128 tones/128 rhythms. Demo tracks 80 included demo songs. Connectivity. Bluetooth, USB-MIDI, headphone jack, sustain pedal port. Speakers. Built-in dual stereo speakers. Package includes digital piano, stand, sustain pedal, headphones, carrying case, power supply, music rest. Overall, the Ngdgtt 88-key semi-weighted digital piano is a surprisingly versatile and complete package that delivers tremendous value for beginners, mobile performers, and studio creators alike. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Ngdgtt Tech for more practical tech showcases, studio gear tests, and audio equipment reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.